What's up guys, I'm Nia and today I'm testing out some cleaning products that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I've always wondered how they compare to cleaning products you pick up from Target, Walmart, or even your local grocery store. So today I'm putting these products to the test as well as starting to prepare my home for the holiday season. So go on and give this video a thumbs up as well as hit the red subscribe button down below and let's see how good these cleaning products truly are. So I started off cleaning the bathroom with the SPIC SPAN. Ultimately, it's a multi-purpose cleaner and it was definitely time to tackle our shower and bathtub. So I'm going in and wiping down all of our tiles and also using these reusable wipes that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree as well. I do like them, however, they get, I guess, very wet and like dirty very quickly, so that's the one thing that I don't care about so much, but overall they aren't bad at all. And like I said, they are reusable, so throw these in the laundry and then wash them with your regular load. So for me, when it comes time to cleaning your home for the holiday season, it is a must to tackle any areas of your home that your guests are going to see. Like if you were to skip or miss your bedroom, it's not the end of the world, but if you do not clean your bathroom or your kitchen or something that everybody is bound to see, it's a really bad look and it's pretty embarrassing. So that's why I definitely wanted to tackle the bathroom, because there is nothing worse than having a nasty bathroom for your guests to use. I really love this SPIC SPAN multi-purpose cleaner. I am all for any multi-purpose cleaner because the last thing you want to do is reach for so many different cleaning products just to clean your home. So the fact that you can use one product for multiple surfaces is amazing. Not to mention, the next day my bathroom literally smelled so clean, like literally the cleanest it's ever been. So definitely a product I will be purchasing again. A quick cleaning hack: anytime you are getting some new bags to refresh your garbage can, definitely bring extra and keep them at the bottom, because how many times do you take out the trash and then completely forget to bring up a new bag, and then you can't even use the garbage can to begin with. So definitely make sure to bring up extra ones and keep them at the bottom. This way you're always ensuring that your garbage can will have a fresh bag. Then I also been trying these Lysol, I guess, toilet bowl things. I haven't seen a huge difference. I guess I thought that when you flush the toilet, you might see the color change, but that hasn't happened at all. So I'm not really sure if the product is completely working, but I will update you guys a little bit later after I've used it just for a little bit longer. Once I'm finished tackling the bathroom, of course, the kitchen is always next. And as you can see, it looks like a tornado literally ran through the place. So I'm going through, as always, decluttering, putting things away that need to be put away, and then also forming my own pile of things that definitely need to go upstairs. It isn't terribly dirty besides just all of the clutter, but I am going to be using a few new products to tackle the kitchen, and of course I will let you guys know how I feel about them. One product I don't care for whatsoever. Going back in with the Spic and Span, I'm hitting all of the countertops and making sure that that is clean. Just getting any random crap that always tends to fall onto the countertops, wiping that all up. And now onto the dishes. I picked up these gloves, which I don't know why I've never used like gloves to wash dishes before, because I am always complaining that my like manicure never seems to last that long, and duh, it is because I am not using any gloves. So I definitely really liked these. I decided to get a size medium and I really like them. I think they might have come in other colors, but I thought the pink was really cute. So what do you guys like to do leading up to Thanksgiving? Do you really go in and prep your whole entire house? Like, do you have guests stay over, or are you always a guest and going to somebody else's house, whether that be traveling or going to a local friend's or family member's home? Let me know in the comment section down below. For us, typically we do host, but sometimes we do like to switch on and off, and we'll go over to my cousin's house. Since Riley is taking her nap, this is always the best time to tackle the family room, because when she's awake, this is her go-to play area. So I'm literally just putting all of her toys away, even though I know that within 2 seconds of her being up, it's all going to look a big mess again. But today I particularly wanted to tackle getting behind the sofas, because it's been some time since we actually swept behind them, and it was so crazy to see how much crap I was able to find back there. So if you guys are missing a lip gloss or anything that you've been looking for a really long time, I bet you it might just be behind your sofa.
I need it now. I need your love. I'll show you how, show you how. I need your love to thrill my blood. I need your love. It's so good, it's so good. I need your love.
I'm really excited for the holidays, especially for the food. My family really knows how to throw down in the kitchen, which I'm not really sure if I want to cheat because I haven't really completely told you guys, but I am following a pretty more of a strict diet, so I'm not really sure if I want to continue to do that for the holidays or allow Thanksgiving to be a cheat meal for me. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys do when you're typically trying to diet and lose weight. Do you give yourself that cheat day because it is the holiday, or do you stay strong and keep going?
So good to me, and I can't hide from what you do. That love's take feeling over you. So good, yeah. Take it all away from me. You're the oxygen I breathe. Got me locked in with your key. Ain't no way that I can leave you. I need your love. I need your love. I need it now. I need your love. I'll show you how. I'll show you how. I need your love.
So now it's the next day because I'm finally getting a chance to finish cleaning what I didn't get to the other day. And I'm trying out the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, which I am super excited to try. But guys, I was so upset about the performance of this item because it says to just wet it and ultimately start using it. And I wiped down the stove and literally nothing came out. So I ended up adding some of my soap, and that's how I was able to clean the stove. But I just was not impressed whatsoever. Also, as you can see, I'm going through and cleaning up the, I guess, stove top grates, if you want to call them, and the product literally started to fall apart. And I picked up a couple of these, excited to use them, but these were definitely a flop. So while the grates were drying, I went in with a Spic and Span and also went to go wipe down all of the appliances because this product does say you can use it in the kitchen for the appliances as well as the bathroom. So that's really all I ended up doing. Random question, because I've always wanted to know this. Are you a person who has a bunch of different magnets or different things on your refrigerator? Or are you somebody who likes literally a clean fridge and nothing on it? I've always wondered that. So let me know in the comment section down below. Clearly, we have a bunch of different magnets and all the other stuff like little Riley's magnets and things like that on our fridge. But I did always wonder, just being nosy.